Hi guys, welcome to the Booth Customs channel. Today we are going to be working on Shane's Mark I Jungle Carbine. It is almost as old as he is. I believe he got it for his 5th birthday or something like that. It has been obviously worked on some and I guess sporterized. The flash hider has been removed and it's got some surface rust and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through it and see if it is serviceable. And also we're going to have to order a magazine for it, as you see here. But we're going to get to work taking it apart and cleaning it first, because that is always the first step. So we've got some surface rust, as you can see there, and in some other areas. We are going to be using this original gun oil. It's a CLP oil out of Wisconsin. I've been using it for a while now and it does a great job, so we're going to turn it loose on this carbine here. Looking at the bolt, you can see there that the bolt retaining screw is broken. So I have to use an extractor tool to get that out and replace that to be fully confident the gun will function, because you can see it's not flush there, and this normally is flush or more flush. So we're going to keep on cleaning and move from there. Another thing that is worthy of note is, so the Jungle Carbines had 18-inch barrels. This Jungle Carbine measures out to about 16, which is what we know as carbine length in the AR world. But as I suspected but needed to confirm, not only was the flash hider removed, but the barrel was cut off, probably in order to remove the flash hider, because the flash hiders on these things reputedly are really difficult to remove. So somebody probably just said, I mean, they did a pretty straight cut from the looks of it. Mostly, it's hard to tell with just the naked eye. But now, why is that important? The crown helps protect your rifling right at the muzzle, because it gives something to hit prior to, like, actually if you like bumped it into something. So even on this AR-15 barrel from Ballistic Advantage, you can see the crown right there on the inside. So even though this is going to have a muzzle brake, it is crowned as it should be. And that is going to affect your accuracy. I've looked at some stuff that says that the crown does not necessarily affect the precision of a barrel, but like a damaged crown or a cut off crown can definitely shift your point of impact so affect your accuracy. Anyway, that's just a little aside on that.